Young Dizzle.
Hey y'all, it's GP and welcome back to my channel, girl. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit that bell button right next to it. It's notified when I upload all of my videos. And of course, go and follow me on all my social media at JIMIP_. Y'all know we lit on Instagram and Twitter, so make sure you go follow me on there. So as you can tell by the title, today we are going to be doing another hair video. That is, y'all know I love me some hair videos, okay, period. This video today is sponsored by YGwigs. They sent me this gorgeous, okay, headband wig unit. Now I've worked with them before. If y'all seen in my previous videos, we've done some videos with YG before, and one thing about them, they're always going to send me some really good hair. This is a headband wig, which is very low maintenance. There's no braiding necessary, there is no glue necessary, there ain't nothing necessary. I gotta do is put the wig on, okay? So y'all, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna leave all the links down below in the description box for y'all to check them out and to shop this unit. And I'm gonna get into this video to show y'all how I quickly put on this wig and turned into a baddie, okay? Y'all see them baby hairs? Don't play, okay?
Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in 5, I'll be on 9.
YGwigs has actually updated their old headband wigs. This one, as you can tell, has a actual lace on it and it has a part on it. It just makes it look a lot more natural. So the width of the hairband is about 3.5 centimeters, which is more convenient to wearing other headbands. The fabric of the headband has been upgraded. It's softer, it absorbs sweat, and wicks away moisture. It is very comfortable to wear in normal or sports. So whatever you're going for, girl, normal or sports, it's gonna work. The cap has like a breathable design, which is more suitable for next warm weather, since y'all know it's springtime and the summer is coming. So yes, it's gonna feel real nice on your hair. So yeah, now is the perfect time to go ahead and get your headband wig for YGwigs, because they updated it and they are making it way better than a lot of these headband wigs out there.
just have to know I've been reading your mind. No fear, but you gotta let me know. I'm all ears and I got a lot of room. My way, if you wanna take it there, I'm on my way. Put it in five, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in five. I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in five, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in five. I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Drop top the Porsche, put that bitch in sport out here in the field, oh yeah. I'm already, yeah. Come outside looking like a snack. Hurry up, get in, hell yeah. Come with me on the station. Riding down the coast, got one up for sure. You said make a lead, I said pass the weed. Pull up to the grandpa, said you never been before. But you whip if I could talk, girl, I made you meet 'em all. You said you left your ex, that dude was always cash. You said before me, you ain't never been this happy. You took a L with him and went in ever since. You in my phone, I'm on my way, I cancel plans. I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way. You can meet me in five. I'll be all night. I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in five. I'll be outside. I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way. You can meet me in five. I'll be all night. I'll be all day. I'll be all day.
You tryna make a move? Tonight I got the time. Tell me what you wanna do. Color squad if you wanna rendezvous. They gon' push up on their own. I only got room for two. Front of jigs on the set. It's a Porsche, not a Vic. I confess I'm a flex. They show some respect. Get away so we can make sense of your life. You wasn't pop, but I just put your shit in drive. Now close like there's no tomorrow. Moving too fast. I'm hoping to drive so. I don't want you to wonder where I go. Can learn a lot from this, and it's something that I know.
Put it in five. I'll be outside. I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way. You can meet me in five. I'll be all night. I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in five. I'll be outside. I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way. You can meet me in five. I'll be all night. I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in five, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in five. I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in five, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in five. I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Yeah, yeah. It's the type of shit that you've been waiting all year for. I'm making time for a minute, yeah, you with it. Got a lot of charm, I just need some much spinning. I just press a button and the top go missing. I got the slip so you know it's not raining here. Ooh, what you wanna do? Worry about your friends, that's all you just have to know. I've been reading your mind. No fear, but you gotta let me know. I'm all ears and I got a lot.
Hey y'all, so this is the finished product. I decided to just go ahead and leave this little like headband on. I feel like it gives me like Italy vibes, and like I want to go to Italy. Like it's about to be the summertime. Let's get it on and popping, okay? But yeah, it's super cute. I love this. Y'all know I'm a big fan of headband wigs because girl, as y'all can see, no braids necessary, nothing necessary. All you need to do is slick that thing back and throw that wig on. Now of course, if you want to do braids, all for you. I don't like to do braids because I like to be able to kind of take out some edges in the front, and sometimes I also like to just have like a peekaboo of my actual hairline showing just to make it look a lot more natural. Shout out to YG Hair for sending me this unit. Yes, yet again, I've worked with them before, so I mean the quality of the hair is just what it's gonna be. Like some really good quality hair. I will leave all their links down below in the description box for you to check them out if you want to shop this wig or shop with them to see what else they offer. So yeah, make sure y'all check that out down below. This is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Leave me some comments. Let me know what y'all think. Do y'all prefer headband wigs, closures, or frontals? Let me know down below in the comments because it's a strong headband versus closure for me. I'm not even gonna hold y'all, okay? I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for watching this video, and I will see y'all in my next one.